We're Anita and Ben, and together we create what we term as ambient worship music. These are both songs with lyrics and instrumental music that can be used for times of prayer, meditation, and reflection to soothe the soul and calm the mind. Therefore, let all the faithful pray to you while you may be found. Surely the rising of the mighty waters will not reach them. You are my hiding place. You will protect me from trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance.